Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, you are going to learn exactly how you can clean the filters on your Midea air conditioner in order to improve the airflow and keep it cooling efficiently. So first of all, you need to turn off your air conditioner. For that, you can just simply use the power button, and you need to also just turn it off from the circuit breaker. And then you just have to simply just open this type of front cover. Now when you open it, you are going to see these types of air filters inside it. So you need to simply gently lift the front panel, and then you just have to carefully remove these air filters. So if these filters are covered with dust, you need to use a vacuum cleaner first, and then you need to rinse them with the lukewarm running water. If needed, you can also use a small amount of mild detergent, but avoid using the hot water. Then once the filters are clean, you need to also let them dry completely in the shade. And when these are dried successfully, you just have to simply insert these filters back to the original position, and then simply close the front panel securely and turn your AC back on. So that's how you can basically clean the air filters on your Midea air conditioner. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.